Want to know how to change your field of view or FOV in paradines? So FOV are sometimes really useful in gameplays in order to gain some advantage. So if you want better or more wider FOV, this video is for you. So first things first, simply open up Paradines right here, and once you've opened it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you're under this interface, on the top right side you should be seeing this gear icon right here. This is the setting, so you can just simply select it. So now once you have selected settings, on default you should be under video, and if you're not, just simply select it. On top there should be video. So right here, right beside gamma, you should be seeing FOV. If you don't, you can just simply scroll up and down in order to find it. So once you've selected FOV, if you slide it to the left, it means lesser FOV, and if you slide it to the right, it means more. So you can just simply maximize it out or change it accordingly as you wish. Simply select apply once you're done, and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.